If golf course views, maintenance-free living, and tons of amenities is what you're looking for, I have the home for you. This is the one. We're out here at Laterra Links in World Golf Village. This condo has access to both King and the Bear and Laterra Links Amenities. You've got maintenance-free living, your landscaping's taken care of, your water, your sewer, all of that, and pools and tennis courts and pickleball, you've got it all. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo is 2160 square feet. You have a 2-car garage, you have a den. You will feel like you're in a single-family home and have all the conveniences a condo living. And this beautiful view behind me is what you'll be looking at out of your screen Lanai. This is the 8th green of King and the Bear, and it is so gorgeous and so peaceful. So let's go check it out. Just like a single family home, you have tons of parking, enough for 6 spaces, and you have a 2-car garage. So come on, let's take a look inside. You have your own private courtyard. And then as you come in, as you enter this gorgeous home, you have this beautiful entryway. And right as you walk in, you have a very large indoor storage space, all air conditioned. And as you walk through, you have this beautiful dining area, formal dining space, right off of a very large kitchen. And this all connects to an office space that you can block off here for privacy with your pocket doors. It's got great light in here with beautiful windows with Plantation Shutters. This home was fully remodeled in 2021. So all of the appliances, the HVAC, the water heater, all of those things were in 2021. And this kitchen is the centerpiece to the entire home. You've got granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. You have cabinets with these great pullouts on them. Your refrigerator is all stainless steel. You've got a great pantry space with built-in shelves. Over here you have your oven, which is almost like a double oven. It's got a half oven at the top and a full-size oven at the bottom for convenience. Everything is impeccably maintained in this home, and it's a great entertaining space because the heart of your home is connected to this beautiful family room area. You've got beautiful lighting through all of the plantation shutters and windows around it, and this gorgeous backdrop that overlooks the 8th green of King and Bear. This will be your view on a daily basis. Gorgeous water view. The birds come up daily, and you're overlooking the 8th green over here. This whole back sliding glass door pockets so that you feel like you have the convenience of an indoor-outdoor living space. You've got this great screen Lanai, everything, it was just recently updated. It's got solar shades to kind of block out the sun in the afternoon. You've got coffered ceilings in this family room, so great high ceilings that just make the space feel so welcoming. And then off of the family room, you have your master bedroom, which has these great bay windows that overlook the golf course. Lots of space in here for king-size bed and all of your furniture. You've got his and hers closets that all connect to your primary bathroom with a dual vanity, a large tub, and a beautiful walk-in shower. This home has the perfect split floor plan. You have your guest bedroom and bath completely separate from the rest of the home. Beautifully updated Corian counters, all tile in the bathroom. And over here, you have your nice size guest bedroom, all wood floors and plantation shutters, and a nice size closet in here as well. And then over this way, you have a nice size laundry room with cabinet space, your washer dryers included in here, and a nice organized way to store your items up there. And this whole area closes off from the rest of the house. So don't miss out on this beautiful home. Again, we're out here at Laterra Links. The address is 100 Laterra Links Circle, Unit 102. You have access to the King and the Bear amenities and Laterra Links amenities. That includes 3 pools, pickleball, tennis courts. I'll show them to you here in just a minute. But give me a call if you want to schedule your tour today. This is Leanne Angel with the Carson Real Estate Team. My number is 904-417-7212.